thanks for watching. Today we're opening up the August Rose War Panty Power subscription box. So if you don't know what this is, it is a monthly period subscription, but it's a little unique. So you get period essentials that are all organic, which I love, some lifestyle and beauty items, and then every month you also receive 2 pairs of panties. So I love that. That's definitely what makes it stand out. It costs $25.20 a month. And yeah, I think that's everything we need to know. I'm just so excited to dive into it. Before we do that, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes as much as I do and beauty content, all of that, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. But let's get this box open. Super cute. I always really enjoy this box. When you open it, there's a card, and everything's wrapped up so cute. It's like sparkly tissue paper. How fun. So welcome to August box full of joy. Pretty flowers, and then on the inside, it talks about what's inside. It checks them off. So when you first sign up, you let them know your preferences a little bit, and you also let them know your size, so they don't just send you like random panty sizes, of course. It says, what's inside this month's box? 100% organic period products, 15 total value at $7, 2 undies ranging from $8 to $25, along with 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts from below. I want to carefully open this tissue paper. It's so pretty. I want to save it. Ooh, it is packed. Successfully dodged a drop. Let's start off with what is right on top, and this is a beauty product. It's a collagen nutrition mask sheet. The nutrition mask containing hydrolyzed collagen provides skin's natural elasticity to create dewy skin with a healthy glow. So it looks like we have a sheet mask. And this has a retail value of $3. And there's some snacks right on top. Why do I always open subscriptions when I'm so hungry? So I love that they include little treats, and they're always different from like different places too. So this is, I don't know, because it's all in a different language, but looks like some like chocolate cookie thing, which is right up my alley, especially around that time of the month. And then yum, some Frito-Lay Munchies cheddar cheese. This is made with Cheetos cheese. I've never had that kind specifically, but I've had these sandwich crackers before, and I always think they are very good. And I see another treat. This is rice senbei. Again, not exactly sure, but I love that they include things that are, you know, different than what I normally get, so I get to try new snacks. Love doing that. And I think I see a little candy here. There might be a few candies throughout. And looks, I'm guessing these are like cherry flavored little hard candies. Next, this is by Xeon Health, the brand that makes my favorite all-time natural deodorant. I have not found any other natural deodorant that works like this, so I'm excited to try anything by this company. This is their Skin Brightening Pumpkin Mud Mask. This is made with French red clay. It's a nourishing formula. Vegan, no sulfates, no parabens, gluten-free. Pumpkin. I want a pumpkin spice latte. I can't wait for that to be served in. What time? Like, when does that start going to Starbucks and stuff? Someone please tell me. Oh, makeup. This is by Appeal. This is a gel liner, and this is in deep taupe. I am so happy that we got it in a color other than black. I have so many black liners, but let's see if I can get this off so we can do a little swatchy. Oh, and by the way, the Xeon Health Pumpkin Mud Mask is $20. I'll link that deodorant down below if you guys are interested. I got it on Amazon for like $8 or something like that. So this is a pencil you sharpen. Ooh, it feels really nice. See, it looks like taupe. Nice. This one is so smooth. I'm excited to try this out. And then we have something in here. Is this a perfume? Oh, a Living Young car and room diffuser. Is Living Young a MLM? So this is air freshener and new car leather. So you just hang this in your car, and there's actually a decent amount in there. I feel like a lot of car diffusers or car, like, what do they call this? Yeah, diffusers, like, don't really last very long, so this seriously does smell like a new car. My car definitely doesn't, it stinks, so I shall put this in there whenever I leave my house, which is very, very rare these days, not gonna lie. But this has a retail value of $10. And now let's talk about the period products. Oh my god, my watch has been recording everything I'm saying. It looks bizarre. So we have a mix of tampons, 2 absorbencies. There are regular and super. I love that they're organic. I pretty much exclusively use organic period products. And I've been getting this box for a while, and I always use these at time of the month, and they're great. And then they also provide some varying absorbencies of pads. And then I love that they include these. This is by the brand RWPP, and they're down there wipes. These are biodegradable wipes, and you could use these anytime, you know, the month or year. They're really great, like around summertime when you're like sweaty and stuff, don't want to take a shower, whatever, just to freshen up. Really convenient, and you got a lot. They used to give 2 a month, but now they've been giving us more, and I'm liking it. Thanks for hooking me up. You're a genius. It gets me every time. And now let's look at the panties, and I can just tell from that print I'm going to like them. I always like them, and I find that they do fit true to size. Man, these are so pretty. Like, seriously, how pretty is this? So it seems like every month I get 1 regular panty and 1 thong. I can't tell what the other is now, but I'm guessing. So obviously this is regular, and this is so cute. So this is by Camuto. I love the colors. I love everything about this. It seems really comfy, and this type usually doesn't show too much. You know what I mean? Like, why can't I find words today or produce words today? But this like lining of the underwear, I don't know, doesn't really show underneath clothing, so I appreciate that. And this might be like my favorite pair I've ever received, yay! And the last pair, yep, it is a thong. Ooh, this is like a sexier one. It's like black and lacy, and it's pretty like red color along top. Like floral lace. And this is by Umita underwear. I like these too. Probably save these for when it's not that time of month, but you know, you can wear whatever underwear whenever you want. So that was everything, you guys. I always love opening this box so much. If you guys are interested in subscribing, of course the link will be down below. Let me know what you think, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for unboxing this with me. Thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. I appreciate it so much, and I appreciate every single one of you for being here and just watching. You guys are the best. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.